Today's October 24th, 2020. I'm dropping off my ballot.
Kevin Isomoto says welcome to the vlog.
So it's been a pretty calm week this week. I did drop off my ballot into the drop box. On Friday, I went over to Nacha and Mondas's house. They picked up Chick-fil-A, and when I arrived, they were watching Terrace House.
Take you with me?
いいんじゃん。
楽しかった。結果、わかんない。どうなんだろうね。これはすごい楽しかったし、もっと遊びたいなと思って。
I had not been in Nacha's new car yet, so we decided to just go do quick errands. Yep.
Okay.
Here we go. Want me to carry one of those? You got it?
No, you can carry one.
Okay.
I'm like, no.
As of a couple of months ago, I've been learning how to play the bells because I want to get good at this to then transfer these skills to the other percussion instruments so that hopefully in time I'll become a more well-rounded percussionist. So we had the regular end time rehearsal as usual, and then I also had my percussion class that I do, which is more focused on snare drum and rudiments. And then earlier today we had Nacha's second virtual Zoom piano recital for her students.
And I know I said that some of you can dress up. I definitely dressed up. I'm Kiki from Kiki's Delivery Service. So if you've been to our recitals before, this is great. I'm very, very excited. If you haven't, welcome. Okay, so we're gonna start off right now with Callie.
This recital happened a few months ago, but there was a second one earlier today, which was like a Halloween themed recital. Same type of idea though. It was a bunch of back-to-back students performing all through Zoom, and then I just sat in the audience and watched, and then at the end of it, Nacha did a performance.
Enjoyed yourself, and give a round of applause to everyone who performed. Yay! You all did a fantastic job, probably mid-December, for our holiday recital. So all of you kids get ready for, Christmas. And I really, really hope everyone has a great weekend, and I hope next week everyone has a very safe Halloween. And thank you again for attending today. Okay, you're all dismissed.
Next weekend is Halloween 2020 weekend. I have no costume and no plans as of right now. Until then, have a good week number 528.